you dramatic. Only success can give you success.
राधे राधे गुरु जी, मेरे चरणों में आपका कोटि कोटि प्रणाम।
Hi guys, Anna here, and today I'm going to tell 24 things I learned in 2024 as a teenager living alone for college. So the first, and while doing makeup. So let's begin. The first thing is college grade is very important. This I learned after like 2 years of my college. Ki when you go for internship, they look for your grades. So yeah. The second one is start investing as early as possible or save some money aside. Even if you get some pocket money from your parents, it's very good actually. The third one is you are the only one who can change your life, not anybody else. Yeah, every day wishing up कि तुम्हारा life change हो जाए is not going to happen here. And the fourth one is social media is really rotting your brain because you won't even realize that you have wasted 3 to 4 hours of a Sunday or any weekend or any of your day while just watching reels instead of doing something productive you could have. The fifth thing is having faith in God. Every day while here I do puja and I pray to God. It is even if you're an atheist or something, but just believe in the universe or believe in something almighty or any kind of power you believe in, because it really helps you to keep your mind at peace. I believe, like even especially in the hardest times. I don't know. And so the sixth one is here. By the way, I'm applying oil because it's winter. Sixth one is only hard work can give you success, not any shortcut or cheat sheet you believe. Because this I learned while I played stake. Me and my friends, like there were 4 to 5 people who just invested around 1,000 or 500 like on stake, and then we thought कि we'll earn some money, we'll pocket money, then we'll get rich and we'll buy stuffs. But after playing the game वो थोड़ा प्रॉफिट देता है, बट उसके बाद जो लग गए थे यार, कसम से पूरे पैसे चले गए. तो only hard work can give you success, nothing else. Then the one is you need to start today so you don't regret yesterday. Okay, so every day wishing कि you would have started sooner really takes away all of your time or all of your important time, and फिर तुम लोगों को बहुत रिग्रेट होता है. And honestly in these 2 years I have regretted बहुत सारी चीज़ें which I can't tell you because मुझे याद नहीं है कितने सारी चीज़ें रिग्रेट करें मैंने लाइफ में. I am applying foundation by the way. And the eighth one is be a keen learner. You know, जब when we go for internships, not only internships but you should have the knowledge about everything. Like when you're talking with people, the current affairs and stuff, it really matters. Like सही में यार कुछ तो चीज़ें सीखो. Like I over here I learned crochet, painting and many good stuffs. I don't remember but painting तो I used to do पहले से ही, but crochet was the thing मैंने जो यहाँ पर आके सीखी है खुद से YouTube से देख के and stuff. Ninth is people you hang out with really matters because eventually people judge you on the basis of that. I'm not talking about even judging, but your mindset, your whole routine, it changes. Like मैं example दूंगी, my roommate मतलब she is a brilliant student, ठीक है, but she got into some bad संगति जिसके कारण उसका थोड़ा life was taken away. Like sometimes she regretted and she doesn't also, but the thing is कि उसने अभी मेरे साथ आके वो चीज़ें करती है, like the way she lives and stuff, she really told me कि यार I have changed a lot, like I do skincare because of you. तो कहीं ना कहीं उसका रूटीन भी आया है, because I'm not saying I'm a good influence, I can be bad sometimes too, but I'm just saying कि the people you hang out with really matters. And the 10th one is time is an asset. Obviously it is, because अगर 2 साल में अगर मैंने ये कुछ चीज़ें मैंने लाइफ के पहले स्टार्ट की रहती ना, तो मैं कहाँ से कहाँ तक बढ़ जाती. Like even for the YouTube, even for my studies, even for my skills and everything. The 11th one is you'll never be ready for a perfect start, because हम लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं कि no, we'll start tomorrow will be the day, but कोई ऐसा दिन नहीं आने वाला तुम्हारे लिए, because comfort comes from discomfort. ठीक है, बोल दिया मैंने. But you need to get out of your comfort zone, and हम लोग कभी नहीं निकलने वाले हैं जब तक हम मन में सोचते रहे कि हम कल करेंगे. सिर्फ आज करना पड़ेगा. The 12th one is treat yourself like a priority in order to get treated like a priority. Okay, so ये तो ऐसी चीज़ें कि I've seen my friends being in relationship जहाँ पर they are asking the boy कि you know कि यार तू मुझे priority नहीं समझता and stuff, but I don't understand. Girls need to understand कि they should treat themselves as a priority because we get treated as we behave. Okay, so अगर हम लोग ही अपने आप को प्रायोरिटी नहीं समझेंगे, लाइक उतना महत्व नहीं देंगे और इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देंगे खुद के लाइफ में, सो कोई आगे वाला भी आके आपको नहीं ही देने वाला है. That's it. The 10th one is we need to stop asking or expecting people to act right, because eventually they won't, or even they will, it will be on their will. ठीक है, तो you can't expect someone, or you can't expect from someone that they should act right, because उसमें तुम्हारा माइंड एनर्जी, इमोशनल एनर्जी बहुत इन्वेस्ट होता है, एंड देन यू क्राई द होल नाइट और वॉट एवर द थिंग इज, बट उसमें तुम ही मेंटल ड्रेन आउट होते रहते हो, ना कि वो सेकंड व्यक्ति. सो स्टार्ट प्रायोरिटाइजिंग योरसेल्फ. द व्हाट वन इज यू नीड टू स्टार्ट गेटिंग डिसिप्लिन. सो वी आर एट द एज ऑफ 20 where we are free living and stuff, because we think that this is the age to enjoy. Yeah, this is the age to enjoy, but this is also the age to get disciplined and get a whole routine of your life, because this age or whatever, ये सब समय बीतने ही वाला है, and 20 is the most, क्या बोले, free living age where you can set some habits, remove some habits, क्योंकि आगे चल के then it becomes a problem for you. So yeah, 15 is you are in your 20s where you can experiment with things and or do things you are passionate about, because this is the age where you can do anything, right? Like people not gonna judge you or whatever the thing is, and you can do whatever you want, honestly. Like even I'm starting YouTube, I'm in my 20s, like early 20s, I'm 19 right now, so I'm a teen. We're gonna give you a fuck about anything you do right now. Plus, if you start now, you'll get an early success for sure. So that's it. And the 16th one is always try to find something good in bad. ये तो मैंने बहुत चीज़ों से बहुत समय से अप्लाई करते आई हूँ, honestly, because बहुत optimistic. I'm an optimistic person. कि whenever something bad happens to me, I try to find something good, and then मैं वो साइड से सोचती हूँ कि God is teaching me something and I should learn from it rather than crying about it. Like I do cry. 17th one is start getting grateful for whatever the things you have right now, like little things. Like ये हम लोग चीज़ भूल जाते हैं, हम लोग सिर्फ भगवान से मांगते रहते हैं, but the thing we forget is we need to be grateful for having 2 eyes, 2 legs or 2 hands which are in working condition, because some people don't have that, and you should. So I'm applying blush. So the 18th one is ignorance is a bliss. Yeah, you need to start ignoring your problems, like you ignore your studies and your exams before one day. So yeah, वो क्योंकि वो चीज़ें helps you to gain some mental stability and not it saves much of your time about everything actually. 19 is start investing in your health. ये भी मुझे पता है कि बहुत लेटर रियलाइज हुआ, बिकॉज जब मेरी एक बार तबीयत खराब हुई, लाइक फीवर से ही, बट आई वाज सो डाउन, देन आई स्टार्टिंग ईटिंग थोड़ा बहुत हेल्दी, बट इधर आके भी ऑल्सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू ईट हेल्दी. जैसे कि व्हीट नूडल्स, लाइक अगर मुझे नूडल्स बनाने हैं इंडक्शन पे, आई वुड यूज़ मैदा वाला नूडल्स, आई यूज़ व्हीट नूडल्स, एंड ऑल्सो आई बाय सम मशरूम्स एंड मेक बटर गार्लिक मशरूम्स. तो कहीं ना कहीं आई एम ट्राइंग टू ईट हेल्दी. ठीक है. 20th वन इज स्पेंड टाइम विद योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज हम लोग इतना हैंग आउट करते हैं ना, कभी कभार हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि हम खुद क्या है. सो आई यूज टू गो ऑन डिनर अलोन, लाइक एनी कैफे और समथिंग. मतलब मेरे कॉलेज के पास बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कैफेज हैं. सो ऑन एवरी संडे जब मेरे पास कोई भी नहीं था, लाइक ऑनेस्टली मेरी जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी रहती है वो खुद के घर में रहती है, इट इज़ फार अवे, तो शी कांट मेक अप एवरी टाइम फॉर मी. सो आई यूज टू गो अलोन, हैविंग अ सोलो डेट एंड सोलो डिनर, एंड बहुत मज़ा आता है सच्ची बोलो तो. देन यू शुड ट्राई इट समटाइम्स टू. The 20th one is learn to say no without feeling guilty. Like even ये स्पेशली रिफर होता है हैंगआउट्स वगैरह के लिए. लाइक ये भी मैंने दूसरों को देखा है, बिकॉज मेरे कॉलेज में आके बहुत सेलेक्टेड फ्रेंड्स हो चुके थे, लाइक इवन एज एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट पर्सन. बट आई हैव सीन माई फ्रेंड्स जिनको नहीं जाना रहता था, ऑनेस्टली नहीं जाना रहता था, दे आर इन देयर बेड being cozy, but still friends are coming in front of the house, और ठीक है कॉल पे भी they are forcing them and they can't say no. Like they'll feel कि यार मैंने मना कर दिया, उसको बुरा लग जाएगा. क्या इतना सोचना ही नहीं है भाई, नहीं जाने की इच्छा नहीं जाना, विदाउट फीलिंग गिल्टी. यार तुम्हारी लाइफ है, तुम्हारी चॉइस है, सीधा मना करना. द 22 is repeating the same routine every day and expecting a different result is foolish. Like ये तो मैं भी करती थी, आई रिमेम्बर कि आई यूज्ड टू फील लाइक कि अच्छा व्हाट इफ कल मेरा अच्छा हो गया यार, कल अच्छा दिन जाना चाहिए, व्हाट इफ थिंग्स टर्न आउट इन अ डिफरेंट वे. सो आई यूज्ड टू ड्रीम अबाउट गेटिंग सक्सेस इन माई लाइफ एंड ग्रोइंग, but I realized कि I'm not doing anything, or I'm not even giving my 1 to 2 or 5% to it. So I'm expecting such things. I was a foolish girl, and that was a thing I learned. Wait for me, I'll just come and change. I changed into a white sweater, and I'm going to wear this necklace, by the way, a silver necklace which was gifted to me. Okay, it has a heart, and I just love this. 23rd one is whatever things you do, people gonna judge you anyway. Like you do 1,000 or 100 things for them, and they'll still find one negative thing to talk about. Okay, and also if you want to start something now, just start right away. Like for me, this YouTube thing, I'm still very shy about it. Like I haven't told my friends except one or two. ठीक है, and I also warned them कि if you watch my videos I'll kill you, because वो मुझे इतना वो judgmental factor आता है ना, like but I need to overcome that, and hopefully I'll do if I get some views. The only thing is stopping me from telling them is कि मैं अभी तक कुछ कर नहीं पाई हूँ, like I'm not getting the views or something, then how should I tell them like कि मैंने क्या अचीव किया है इससे. तो even I'm learning that. Yo, so here we have come to the end of the video, and the 24th thing is, in between your career don't forget to live your life. I'll put an example. There's my one friend who is giving CA. तो last time उसका group नहीं निकला, ठीक है, तो he used to study sitting at home. तो उसने 8 महीने घर पे निकाले, ठीक है, एंड कुछ भी चीज़ें नहीं की. लाइक ही थॉट कि इफ़ ही लीव हिज लाइफ, लाइक अगर वो कहीं बाहर भी जा रहा है दूसरी सिटी में, लाइक आई एम लिविंग इन पुणे और हमारे बाकी भी फ्रेंड्स पुणे में ही है. सो ये थॉट दैट इवन इफ आई गो टू पुणे फॉर सम डेज, आई एम नॉट वर्थ इट, आई एम नॉट वर्दी ऑफ दैट. और उसको बहुत गिल्ट आने लगा था इवेंचुअली, ठीक है, एंड he got depressed, he got sad about living his life कि कैसे एक रूटीन में चल रही है, and I'm just studying and others are enjoying and studying. So एक चीज़ खुद के लिए बहुत important है, that you need to understand even if you are studying now, you shouldn't be feel guilty about living your life. Failure also doesn't mean कि you are guilty of living your life or you should stop enjoying, because ये अगर पढ़ाई का समय इस एज में नहीं आना, लाइक बड़े लोग कहते हैं ना कि ये एज पढ़ लो, तो मस्ती की भी यही एज कर लो, वैसा सीन है. बट you should keep a balance. ऐसे नहीं सिर्फ पढ़ाई करे जा रहे हो and then you get sad about the whole life. So this was it. Thank you for watching the whole video and watching me while I do my makeup, जो बहुत ही normal सा है because मैं कैमरा में देख के makeup नहीं कर पा रही थी. If you loved it, do like it and subscribe, and thank you. Bye bye.